afternoon, everyone. Look at this fantastic garden shed that just got delivered. So let me show you. Inside. Look at the window there, and fantastic. There's the view. Come on out here. Look at a great galvanized spruce window. Imported wood from Scandinavia. So delivered and installed, €1,400, but isn't it fantastic? Now we can put in the kids' toys and all that sort of stuff. I laid it on some blocks as well, so it's great. Now we have some storage area for our kids' toys. I might even sit in here myself and have a beer. You can insulate this. You can put up shelves in there. It is fantastic. And I got this from William Mahood there at Canningstown. What a great job. €1,400, and we're quite happy.